some more stocks in focus now. What are the mid caps that you need to keep on your watch list ahead of numbers, ahead of a lot of institutional buying? Varinder Bansal is here to give us that list. Varinder.
Well, the results season is on. Capital First will be reporting results tomorrow. Now, all these NBFCs have done brilliantly. Even for Capital First, one caveat is that the stock price has moved from 600 to 750 in the last 1 month. So, there has been a lot of price discovery happening in. But, the numbers will be important to watch out for how this company does and does the numbers. Jewelry companies starting with PC Jewelers, TBZ, Titan will be reporting results tomorrow. PC Jewelers will be important because, this quarter it will be the first one post the end of the strike, so need to see whether any improvement in terms of numbers have been done or not. There has been some accumulation in the F&O happening on PC Jewelers, so keep that stock on your radar. Berger Paints, clearly after Asian Paints reported numbers, this is one stock which everyone is keenly watching out for, so keep that stock on your radar. Precall, one stock which has just moved like mad in the last 1 or 2 months and has been reporting strong numbers since last 2 quarters, will be reporting results tomorrow, so keep an eye on that stock also. Even last quarter, this company did a profit of 22 crores compared to full year profit of 22 crores what the company has reported. So strong numbers has been reported by this company. And other stocks to watch out for: Dwarikesh Sugar, which has been just moving up and up. That is another stock. Bodil Chemicals, again good numbers last quarter, a chemical stock. And the last will be Bike Hospitality. Hotel companies may surprise this quarter. But one caveat, as I said, most of the stocks have moved, gained a lot, ahead of the numbers.
Oh yes, and the best example is right now Bajaj Finance. That's